Hi there. Have you ever walked into a room and felt an immediate sense of intrigue? Like there's a story waiting to be unraveled amidst the apparent chaos? Well, today we're diving headfirst into a fascinating aesthetic that's taking the interior design world by storm, the chaotic room aesthetic. What if I told you that behind the disorder lies a hidden beauty that's not only visually captivating but also tells a unique tale? Join me on this journey as we explore the mesmerizing world of chaotic Rome aesthetics. Are you ready to embrace the disorder? Picture this: an explosion of colors, mismatched furniture, and seemingly random decorations scattered around. At first glance, it may seem like an unorganized mess, but within the chaos lies a carefully curated aesthetic that challenges traditional notions of interior design. Why do some people intentionally choose chaos over order when it comes to their living space? It's more than just a rebellion against conventional norms. The chaotic Rome aesthetic is a form of self expression, an artful rebellion against the mundane. It allows individuals to break free from the constraints of symmetry and embrace a world where every element has a unique story to tell. Now, you might be wondering, how does one achieve the perfect chaotic Rome aesthetic? DIY projects, thrifted finds, and personal mementos come together to form a tapestry of memories and experiences. In the chaotic room aesthetic, every item has a purpose, every color has a meaning, and every corner tells a story. It's about creating a space that reflects your personality and invites curiosity. So don't be afraid to experiment with bold colors, mix patterns, and showcase your unique treasures. The result, a space that not only looks visually stunning but also feels authentically you. But here's the beauty of it: chaotic room aesthetic are incredibly versatile. Whether you lean towards bohemian, eclectic, or even industrial styles, the chaos can be tailored to suit your taste.